Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the BodyHerbals Strawberry Bath and Body Care gift set, an 8-piece 100% vegan luxury hamper for women and men, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special celebration. It's packed with a strawberry shower gel, body lotion, bathing bar, bath puff, natural loofah, strawberry potpourri, aroma diffuser, and 2 tea lights, all infused with the sweet, juicy scent of strawberries. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy gift. First up, the packaging. It's gorgeous. Shipped by Pure Earth Enterprises on Amazon, it arrived in a solid red box with a red ribbon per BodyHerbals site. Amazon reviews call it gift ready, and I agree. No wrapping needed. Starting with the strawberry shower gel, 200 ml, I poured it onto the bath puff and it lathered into a rich foam. The strawberry scent is fresh and uplifting. Per web details, it's got essential oils and skin conditioners. My skin felt clean and soft. Amazon users rave about its fragrance. Next, the strawberry body lotion, 200 ml. It's creamy and non-greasy. I applied it post-shower and it sank in fast. Enriched with natural ingredients, my skin stayed hydrated and smelled fruity for hours. So indulgent. The strawberry bathing bar, 100 grams, is heart-shaped and exfoliating. I used it with the loofah and it left my skin smooth. The scent lingers subtly. The bath puff and natural loofah are high quality, great for lathering. And the potpourri adds a spa-like aroma to my room. I used the diffuser with the tea lights and it's so calming. Per reviews, the scent is divine. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS, and paraben-free with a pH 5.5, FDA approved per Amazon. Not cheap, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for couples or self-care. Some note fragile diffusers, so handle with care. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think.